Unlock the mystery of English object pronouns. Hello there, language learners. Welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're delving deep into the world of English pronouns, more specifically, object pronouns. Don't worry, though, we'll break it down into bite-sized pieces to make it as easy as pie. Let's start at the very beginning. Pronouns replace nouns in a sentence, and they come in many different types. One of those types is object pronouns. These are pronouns that receive the action in a sentence. Consider a sentence like, Sarah threw the ball. Here, Sarah is the subject, threw is the verb, and the ball is the object. If we replace the ball with an object pronoun, we might get, Sarah threw it. The basic English object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. To correctly use object pronouns, we need to place them after the verb or the preposition. Look at these examples. John saw me at the park. The gift is for you. I made a sandwich for him. We are waiting for them. Here, the object pronouns are receiving the action of the verb or the preposition, so they are placed after them in the sentence. It's important to remember that we can't use object pronouns as the subject of a sentence. For example, you can't say, me went to the park. Instead, you would say, I went to the park. The correct subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Now that we've learned the basics, let's try some practice sentences together. Sally gave the book to ________. Me. They are looking for _______ at the party. Us. I will send the package to _______. Them. See? You're getting the hang of it already. And there we have it. Now you know what object pronouns are, how to use them correctly, and how to avoid common mistakes. Remember, practice is key, so try to use object pronouns in your daily conversations. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this video useful, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy learning!